In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix limited access in Discord. Make sure you watch everything till the very end. So I'm using my PC for this. So come on here, type in Discord support. We want to solve this problem right away. So it's going to open up, tap on this Discord support. So come on here, type in limited access. So this is the problem we want to solve. Limited access. Yeah, so this is it. So make sure you have currently signed in your Discord account for you to be able to do this. So scroll down, you're going to see an option to submit a ticket. So tap on it. So once you have signed in your account, you're going to see a Discord form support link down below. You can be able to use it to submit a Discord support form and tell them that you have a problem with your account having limited issues. So once you're done, you're going to be able to resolve this issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share this video and subscribe.